Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, nestled between green hills, there lived a young man named Hero. The village was quiet. The breeze is gentle. But inside Hero's heart, there was no peace. Though the world around him was calm, Hero's mind was loud. Thoughts swirled like a storm. What if I fail? Why can't I rest? No matter what he did, the worry wouldn't go away. He longed for silence, not outside, but within. One morning, Hero set out on a journey. He had heard of a wise Zen master who lived in the distant mountains, climbing steep paths, crossing rivers and forests. He walked for days, holding onto one hope: to find peace. At last, Hero reached a quiet garden where the master sat beneath a cherry tree. The master smiled, said nothing, but his silence was full of answers. The master handed Hero a large bowl filled with water. Beside it, a smaller, empty bowl. "Transfer the water," he said. Hero hurried, but water splashed and spilled. The more he rushed, the worse it got. Frustration rose. His hands shook. His breath quickened. Then, the master gently touched Hero's shoulder. He whispered, "Calm your mind, and the water will follow." Hero took a breath. He slowed down, focused, and as his mind quieted, the water flowed, smooth and steady. No more spills, no more struggle, just presence. The Zen master smiled. "You see, Hero," he said, "when you calm your mind, everything else becomes clear."